Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to choose what apps to use 120Hz. So as you know, your Redmi Note 14 Pro has a screen which can support 120Hz playback. However, you don't need 120Hz on all the apps. You can go ahead and choose it on specific apps like the game apps or maybe a graphics app. So let me show you how to turn on an option to choose what apps to use 120Hz. So first you want to go ahead and open up settings. Next, you want to go ahead and open up display and brightness. Now from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see refresh rate. So as you can see, it's been set to 120Hz. You can go ahead and scroll down and then tap on apps using high rate. So this feature supports a refresh rate of 120Hz. So the appropriate rate can be automatically selected based on the device preference. So go ahead and tap on this. And now from here, you can go ahead and choose what apps to use 120Hz. You don't need all the apps to be using 120Hz, as this will basically take more battery. So you can go ahead and switch off all the apps and just switch on apps for games or maybe for videos. Now, once you've done that, go back. And now you've set what apps to use 120Hz on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.